How to change the Brompton stock mud flap to aftermarket mud flap. So this is what we need. Okay, we need a M5/8 screw and nut. Okay, we also need a 2.5 Allen key because we need to loosen out this screw so that we can actually have space to take out the rivet. Okay, this is actually a rivet. The other side of the mud flap is using screw type. So for this rivet type, you have to cut it up. Okay, that's what I mentioned, that this is rivet. Okay, so we need to cut it. So there are two things that we need to do. Okay, if you have the small hands, probably you can have access to the rivet there. Else we have to deplete the tire. Okay. Okay, so you can push the tire so that we can have space when we remove the rivet as well as when we put back the screw later on. Okay, another thing is we have to release this screw. Okay, so that we can release the stay support. So now we have taken out the stay support. If you find it difficult to remove the stay support, even if you loosen this, you may need to loose the side screws so that this one can move. Okay, so once we loosen it, then we'll have access to the rivet under. Then we have to cut. Okay, we have to cut the rivet until you go and take it out. Just be careful not to break the plastic mud. So there's actually a washer there. Once you take out the washer, you'll be able to take out the mud flap. Okay, and then you can take out the rivet from the top. Okay, so since we'll be using an M5/8, we may need to enlarge the hole a bit. Okay, so you can take out probably a screwdriver and just poke it a bit and make it a bit bigger so that the M5 screw can fit in. Okay. So this one is using Allen key number 3. Then we can put the mud flap. Insert it first. Okay, make sure the screw is inserted, and you can just poke the hole of the mud flap. Okay. Put the nut. Make sure it's tight. Okay, then that's it. Then you just need to put back the stay and tighten the screw. Also, it is a 2.5.